Welcome to Pro News Flash. Let's dive into the latest updates on the crypto market. The cryptocurrency market is under pressure, losing about 4.6% in 24 hours, down to $3.2 trillion by the start of active trading in Europe. These are 5-day lows, with the crypto market driven by a sell-off in safe havens such as Bitcoin and gold, in hopes of de-escalating tensions between Lebanon and Israel. Separately, Trump's tariff threats are playing against stock indices and weighing on equities. The cryptocurrency fear and greed index fell to 79. That is still extreme greed, but the index's lowest level in 2 weeks. Bitcoin fell below $93,000 on Tuesday morning, deepening its corrective pullback and falling for the 4th consecutive day. On Monday, there was a renewed attempt to take the price above $99,000, which turned into more selling. This is due to the geopolitical pullback, which has turned into a broader profit-taking scenario, looking at the entire rally since November 4th. This means that traders should pay more attention to BTC's momentum, around 91.8 thousand, which is 76.4% of the rally. Without proper support in this area, the bear's next target could be the 87,000 area, where there will be a classical Fibonacci correction to 61.8% of the initial rally. According to CoinShares, global crypto fund investments rose to an all-time high of $3.1 billion last week, following inflows of $2.2 billion the week before. Investments in Bitcoin rose by $3.1 billion, Ethereum by $3 million, Solana by $16 million, and XRP by $15 million. Investments in funds that allow shorting Bitcoin increased by $10 million. FalconX noted that the relative dominance of bullish orders in the Bitcoin market has weakened, and new buying interest is not supporting growth momentum. It warned that minor negative news could lead to a noticeable correction in BTC. According to CryptoQuant calculations, unrealized gains in Bitcoin have reached 57%, signaling an increased likelihood of a correction. This was preceded by a jump in daily realized gains to a record $443 million. Despite Bitcoin's rapid rally, the likelihood of a flash crash in the cryptocurrency is higher than ever, according to Michael van de Poppe, founder of MN Trading. He noted classic signs of overheating in crypto as the volume of margin positions and the overall volatility increased. On November 25th, MicroStrategy founder Michael Saylor announced the purchase of an additional 55,500 Bitcoins at a price of $97,862. The company now controls over 386,000 Bitcoins at an average price of $56,761. The SEC set a new financial record for fines on crypto companies for the fiscal year, which ended September 30th with $8.2 billion, more than half of which came from a settlement with Terraform Labs. Stay tuned to Pro News Flash for more updates on the crypto market. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.